Interpretation of seeing cleaning or wiping glass in a dream. For a single girl or woman, this vision indicates good luck, improving her conditions or facilitating her affairs, whether material or psychological, and success in her life. Seeing glass or window panes in a dream, its meaning for a pregnant woman is that the vision indicates joy and good health for her, her fetus, and her well-being, and stability in her life, seeing the glass being wiped and removing dirt and dust from it. In a dream, it means the disappearance of worries and getting rid of sorrows, and getting rid of the problems that the dreamer suffers from in his life. Goodness will come to him, especially if he sees himself wiping the glass and smiling in a dream. Seeing glass in a single girl's dream means that she is facing issues in her life. She will get over it well. I believe in God. As for a married woman, if she sees this dream, it means stability in her situation and her married life. For a man, if he sees cleaning or wiping glass in his dream, its meaning means goodness coming to him, with the belief of and a vision promising success in his life and improvement in his conditions. For a divorced or widowed woman, it is a good vision for her to clean the glass and wipe the glass, and it has already been wiped and the dust or dirt has been removed from it. So it is an auspicious vision for her. By leaving haters and envious people out of her life, the vision indicates that she has overcome, the stages of fatigue, meaning the pain that she went through, in the past. It will end well and it will be compensated. Glory be to you. This means that Almighty will compensate her for the pain she missed in the past and will see her promising stability in her life. It means excellence and success in her life. It is a praiseworthy vision. This means that it indicates the success of the dreamer in his affairs and making things easier for him, really. I hope the explanation has been useful to you. Thank you very much.